Hey ya pom pom slimes, I'm Chrissy and I'm here to talk about how I built my first PC and it was a daunting task. I've always wanted to have my own custom tower built, and so with my college refund, I've decided to blow it on a gamer PC. Now, while I was able to afford really good parts, I still didn't have any helping hands to put the thing together. While I was warned to go for a pre-built PC, I really didn't want to slump to that and instead wanted to get some new skills for myself. So buying the computer tower was hands down the hardest thing on my list. I was able to pick out the RAM, the motherboard, and whatnot, but I wanted to make sure everything that I would buy would fit into a tower nicely. Thus, I got the hugest case I could find. Woo! The Plantex Eclipse P600S, baby! It was so heavy though, I had to get a helping hand to carry it up to my room. Hope that doesn't become a regret down the line when I have to move. Anyways, while getting my PC case was the hardest thing to get in terms of part compatibility, the real challenge of building the PC was getting the graphics card. They were so expensive. In fact, I wonder how much the RTXs cost today. Expensive. Still. In the end, I had the liberty of having a friend send me over a graphics card. To that person, I'm trying my best to still take care of it by cleaning it up often. Woo! Thank you, thank you, thank you! So once I had all of my parts secured for the ultimate task, everything started to weigh down on my shoulders at this moment. I still had no idea how to put this thing together and how I was supposed to do with all these computer parts in front of me. Oh my god! It gave me so much anxiety. The parts I was supposed to use are so expensive and they're so fragile, and oh my god, I was terrified. Because of the overwhelming pressure I had on my shoulders, I had to take consistent breaks while building the PC. Alright, the CPU is in the motherboard. Okay, now I have to put this in the computer. Okay. Okay. You got this, Chrissy. You got this. This happened for about 3 days or so until, ta-da! My beautiful creation looks like a computer. Now it was time to see if it functions like a computer. That moment gave me a huge spike of adrenaline that I just started crying on the spot. Upon fixing the fan, I turned on my PC a second time and the monitor was blank. Looking at my motherboard, there was a red light over the GPU, which once again threw me in so much distress. Turns out, when I turned off my computer to fix the fan, I ended up re-plugging in the GPU without connecting the power supply in. Once I got that settled, there was again a red light indicating that the RAM sticks weren't placed in correctly. After my fourth heart failure, I turned on my computer again, and safe! Those final moments of turning on and off the computer gave me so much stress that I ended up using my computer the next day. I would like to think I'm a bit more experienced in the computer building field, but I guess we'll see once I get to building my second computer. Anywho, thanks so much for watching! If you enjoyed this video, stick around for the next one. I changed up a lot of things with my workflow, so hopefully this video looks much cleaner and prettier than the last one. Anyways, I will see you all in the next animation! Bye!